All right, as most of you know, I am on my health journey, and I'm so excited to share two of my favorite products that help me continuously track my trends, track my data, and things that I use to inform my decisions when it comes to one, my success so far, but two, also to help me in the process of looking at what my macro counts and things are going to look like as well. So one of those items is going to be the RENPHO Smart Tape. There's going to be weeks, especially if you're on the long haul journey, right, where you're going to see a stall that week, or you may not see the amount of loss that you were really hoping for. I love using the Smart Tape because it keeps track of where my measurements were every time that I've used it, and it'll show me like, okay, well, but then maybe I didn't lose a pound this week, or maybe I didn't lose what I, again, was expecting. So then I'll look at my Smart Tape and I'll see, but I did lose 5 inches overall, and that's success and that's progress, and we got to be happy for that, right? So the other thing I use is my RENPHO Smart Scale, and this, I love it because y'all know I'm a data girly, and I love being able to see that. I love that I can connect it easily, both of these products, to the app and track them both. But also for the weight stuff, I can see where my progress has been for the year, for this month, and even just kind of what I'm looking at for the week if I decide I want to weigh daily. So I love being able to see that. It measures right now, the one that I currently have measures 13 stats, which is great. Some of those things that it looks into are going to be my weight, my BMI, my body fat percentage, my fat-free body weight, my subcutaneous fat, my visceral fat, my body water, skeletal muscle, muscle mass, bone mass, protein, BMR, and metabolic age. And so those are all really great things to kind of help me continue to take them with my personal trainer, as well as chat with my registered dietitian when we're looking at what I want to do in terms of my macros to continue with my overall health journey.